Hello guys, welcome to Food With. I'm your girl Lilian Majanja, and this is a very special episode. But before that, don't forget to wear your mask and sanitize. Corona is real. So on today's episode, I'm having a musician, a new artist, some talented guy. He's called Chrisso Homely, and this is going to be kind of different. We are cooking from his home, as you can see. He's busy preparing everything, and let him introduce himself and tell us what he's going to do. Hello there, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm okay. So can you tell us about yourself?
By the name Chrisso Homely.
Okay.
I'm a performing artist.
Okay.
Based here in Uganda, is where I come from.
So what are we making today?
So actually you got me in my kitchen. This is a home kitchen.
I can see that.
And you got me preparing my lunch as well. So I'm just gonna make simple food.
Okay.
And these are scrambled eggs.
Okay.
Alongside the posho.
Oh, can you tell us why posho and scrambled eggs?
Why? Because it's what I feel like I want to eat today.
Okay, I've never tried it, but I hope it tastes good. And we feel special being here. Your place. Thanks for inviting us. So let's begin.
So these are the things I'm gonna use cooking my eggs. As you can see, I got here eggs. And right here, then you can see green pepper as well. My onion is here. And then tomatoes as well. So that's it. So can you tell us, it's okay, you can begin, can you tell us when you decided to start music? When was that? My music journey, I began early last year. 2020. So that's when I began. I recorded my first song that I published right now. It's called Agaliko. That was my song, I began with. So, can you tell us, what type of music do you do? What type of music? First of all, I will tell you that I'm a rapper. I'm a singer. I can see the swag. I'm a dancer. So I'm versatile. I can do any type of music. Triple threat. I feel like I want to do any time that I want, so maybe after this you'll give us a freestyle if you can. So let's first finish the food. You want to give us the freestyle right now? I can give you as well as I'm cutting. Sure. My latest release called Challenger. It's like this. Challenger, she's my new girl. She come from Uganda, speaking Luganda because she's Muganda. She look like Malaika. I love her like Malaika. I bought from Jamaica. Ni chaka. West South Africa. I'm a new Challenger. She's I'm coming. That's the little bit I can give you on my latest release. And the song is called Challenger. You can check it out. I feel special. Free concert. So can you tell us how many tomatoes have you used? I've used 3. I've used 3, and I got 3 eggs. 1 onion. And then 1 green pepper. I'm cutting. Cutting all. Sure. So by the way, I know how to cook. Really? And most men don't know how to cook, and they think it's a woman to cook. No, it's not a woman to cook. Tell them. This me being a musician. Being a musician, the dopest one that Chrisso Homely. I lose nothing when I cook for myself. I lose nothing when I do homework. I lose nothing at all. So, by the way, I even love it. I enjoy it, by the way. Oh, that's good. So can you tell us why the name Chrisso Homely? Why the name Chrisso Homely? People are the one forced me to use the name Chrisso. Why? Because I began as a dancer a long time ago. And I could go for my performances, and after doing my performances, when you come out of the stage, people begin calling Chris Brown, like that, So then I came adding the letter S-O from the word Chris to make it Chrisso. Then Homely. And now I'm going to taste. Hey! Don't worry. You got to taste this today. This is African boy, Chrisso Homely. So, is it ready?
why use a plastic plate or something?
I think it's the easiest for me to use because plastic go on that. Yeah, so I cannot put here metal. Oh, this is kind of a plate, you know. I don't know, yeah, for whatever, no. So it's better use a plastic one, and then it makes the work simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're holding it with your hand.
I told you I'm a strong guy, man.
Oh my God.
Yeah. First look at my kawunga, man. Beautiful.
She look good, Selenda. Challenger, manye mukwano. Challenger, singer Helena. Helena, muya yelaya. Ajenga lina malala. Helena, puleya laya. Mifia malaya laya. Nakowa mapenzi mbaya. Girl. Me no more cry. Me no more cry. Me no more cry for love. Me no more cry for love. Me no more cry anymore.
Right now, yeah, you can have a taste before.
Thank you.
And tell me how you.
I hope it's not that hot because I want to burn my tongue.
No, you won't ban. Be a strong woman. They are
Okay,
the
I have to
strongest.
change it.
Hey. Yo. Am I the best? Yeah, I'm the best.
I love the taste. It tastes good, yeah?
Yeah. Let me
I
hope,
can't wait to have some more, but you taste too.
let me hope you don't lie to me.
I'm not lying.
Yeah, you're not lying?
Yeah.
Yes, I got to pick one.
You have made me fall in love with Precious.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're in love with what you're cool. That's good.
I'm a real man.
That's because you're eating.
Yes.
Yeah, so I guess that's it. Thanks for hosting us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So would you like to say a few things before you?
Yeah. Thank you all my friends. Thank you, Lillian Majanja. Thank you for visiting me here and giving me such a nice interview.
Thanks for
It has
putting
been
it.
nice to have you here. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So thank you for all my friends, all my fans supporting Chrisso Homely music. My new song is called Challenger. Check it out. The video is coming soon. Bigger. Yes.
Thank you. So that's it for today's segment. Yeah, so before I sign out, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I remain your girl Lillian Majanja. Bye. Have a great day.